In heavy traffic, stay in your lane until you reach the merge point. Ease off a bit and activate your turn signal. Check your mirrors and get the traffic behind. If the driver behind leaves space, get ready to merge. Alternate turns allow one car from each lane, like a zipper. In moderate traffic, merge when it's safe, typically just before the lane ends. If traffic is light, merging early is usually fine,